How to delete Switch account on Facebook. So if you want to delete Switch account on Facebook, then first open up your Facebook application. So here you can simply go for the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and now under your profile or under your profile name you will have a drop down bar. Tap on the drop down bar. In here you will have switch account options, right? You can simply switch to your new profile or page, or you can log into another account, or you can switch to another account. So if you want to remove that, then what you can do is simply go for log out, which is on the bottom of your screen, and log out. And once you've logged out, now to delete the switch account, you can go for settings, which is on the upper right, and then you can choose the account which you would like to delete. Tap on the account, and here you will have remove profile. Tap on remove profile, and then again remove, and that's it. That's how you delete switch account on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.